Okay, this game is called Sumo Bowling. And how it works is you can use chalk, you could use a piece of string, you could use jump rope, you could use a piece of hose to make an inner circle and an outer circle. And it doesn't really matter how big they are as long as the number of pins you have fit inside your inner circle. So I'm using milk cartons, yogurt containers, milk jugs, pop cans, ribbon rollers, different plastic recycling as my pins for Sumo Bowling. Okay, and then you need a ball. If you're playing outside and you have a ball, that's a great idea. You may also use a sock ball, and if you're playing indoors, you need to use a sock ball. Indoors, you don't want to write with chalk on your ground, so you can use a length of string. You could use something that makes a circle shape. Okay, and then the outside circle is where you're going to stand when it's your turn, and each player has 3 chances to knock down their pins. And then once the pins are knocked down, we'll use the Sumo Bowling International Association scoring guide to add up our score. Okay, so I'm going to roll the ball like a bowler and see what I get. Okay, then I get to get the ball again. Now, I don't have to stay where I was on the circle. I can change to where I have a good angle for my next throw or my next bowl. I'm gonna roll the ball. Thanks, Peter. And then I have one more shot on this round. So I'm looking at my pins and I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna go for this one that's still standing here, these 3. Oh, got a couple of them. Good. Now I'm going to add up my score. So anything that is 100% outside of the inner circle is worth 5 points each. Anything that's tipped over but touching the line, like these 2, are worth 3 points each. And anything, hey, leave them, buddy, that's knocked down but still inside the center circle is worth 1 point each. So I'll add up my score. So this one's totally out, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then I have to count the ones that are on the line. 43, 43 plus 3 is 46, and then these 2 are knocked down but still inside the circle, so they're worth 47, 48, so I got 48 points. Now, because I knocked them down and just counted them, it's my job to set them back up, and then Peter is my partner here. He's going to pick up the ball and get himself ready to bowl the next round. So you reset the pins, set them back up, and then it's the next person's turn to take 3 shots. Okay, go ahead, Peter. Oh, good try. Here you go. Excuse me. Good job. As long as you're bowling outside the outer circle. Good job. One more shot for Peter. Okay, that was a good last shot. So we'll add up the ones that are all the way outside are worth 5. So if we count by 5, he has 5, 10, 15, 20 points. Oh, 25 points. And then 3 points for each one that is still down but touching the line. So 28, 31, let's see, this one's out, 34. Okay, and then 1 point for each one that's knocked down but still inside the inner circle. So what did I say, 34? So 35 points, Peter. Good job. And then you reset the pins and you can keep adding on to your score or start a new round and keep playing.